Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could burn some. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things.
Okay, so I just washed my hair. And I'm gonna put some hair products in it. My Cantu, my favorite. And then I'm gonna put in the coloring right after. So here I'm just doing my regular curly hair routine. If you haven't seen that video already, I will link it down below, and it shows you my whole routine from my wash routine all the way to styling and the products that I use. Okay, so I put the product in my hair, my Cantu in my hair. Now it is time for the hair paint wax. This is hair paint wax from hairpaintwax.com, I think. I'll put the link below. But it's hair paint wax. A temporary water-based hair coloring solution for those who want to try a new color every day of the week. Okay. Use a small to moderate amount of hair color wax and apply to damp hair. Apply starting from the bottom up using your fingertips. Once you apply, set the hair and allow it to dry. Okay, I have blue, purple, gold for like highlights, like a highlight look, and it's supposed to be pink. I'm gonna do blue. I haven't opened it yet. I have some gloves so I don't stain my hands because I don't know how this works. I continue to put the hair paint wax all throughout my hair, starting at the bottom and working my way up. And I was trying to go for an ombre look, so I wanted it to have a really bright blue at the bottoms and then gradually get lighter to the top. So that's why I slowly worked my way up. And it was pretty easy to use. I didn't have any really difficulties with it. The only thing is, I found myself adding a lot more because it wasn't as bright as I would hope it to be. So I kept adding more and more and more so I can get the color that I really wanted. And how I'm applying the wax is exactly how I would apply my Cantu hair products. So it's pretty easy to work with. I just split my hair in half and worked with small sections. I finished, my hair dried, and this is the final look, the final outcome. I love it. When it was drying up earlier, I didn't have that much at the end, so it wasn't that bright blue. It was looking a little like lighter. So as it was drying, I added a little bit more blue to the end so it could be a little bit brighter because you couldn't really tell earlier. Dried up fine. It's a little bit crunchy, like a little hard, like if you have gel. But overall, I love how it looks. And it says that this rinses out after one wash, so that's nice and easy. It did start to go on my shirt a little bit. I don't know if you can see here. It transferred onto my shirt, but it should be able to wash right out. And I used gloves. I even used gloves to fluff it out, because you know, like my hair big. So when I fluffed it out, I used the gloves and it came off a little bit, but not too much. It's not that bad. So it does transfer a little bit, but it washes right out, so that shouldn't be a problem. And it's cute. Look at it. No damage to your curls. Nice and easy. It's not permanent. You could change it up whenever you like. I found them on Instagram. I'll go link the Instagram and the website below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I always zone out, like. I hope you enjoyed the video. And what's happening? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.